All right guys, my name is Rob. We're here at Cookeville RV and Marine, and I'm going to take you through this brand new floor plan for Reflection. This is the 322 FKTS. Let's take a look at this guy. One thing you're going to notice on the front of this Reflection is they have redone the front cap. Really clean looking, gives you a nice big window. Now this is a front kitchen unit, so this window is going to be in your kitchen looking out, and you're going to enjoy the views at those campsites while you're in the kitchen. I can't wait to see the inside. Coming down the camping side of this Reflection, one thing you're going to notice is really big pass-through. So one thing really nice about this pass-through is how tall it is. So whether you're stacking stuff up or you need extra tall stuff to go in your pass-through storage area, this Reflection really gives that to you. Now we'll see the other side. The other side's got a little bit bigger door, so if you need wider things to go in, you can do that from the other side. One thing you're going to be able to see coming down the camping side of this Reflection is there's a really good amount of clean wall space. So you're going to be able to put this on the camping side. Because of that clean wall space, you're going to have a bigger awning that's going to come out for you, which is really nice because if you're sitting on the camping side, you want all the shade you can get. Now, one thing you're going to notice is that it does have auto leveling. You can see that underneath the camper. That's something that a lot of people want out of a travel trailer, and Reflection gives that to you. So it's really nice to be able to push a button and level this camper. But really clean camping side, plug-ins, cable hookups for your TVs if you want that out here. LED light under your awning. It just looks really, really nice on this side. So we're on the off-door side of the camper, and like I said, this is a wider door, so if you need to push things in that are a little bit wider, you get that ability on this side, still get that good height. And this goes all the way up in here. You can't really see, but it's really, really tall. So like I said, anything taller can go in here as well. Of course, with Reflections, they do full Nautilus systems, which is really nice because whether you're hooking up water at the campsite, filling your freshwater tank, or having to winterize, you're going to do all that from out here. There's no more crawling under a cabinet or getting under a bed to winterize your camper. You can do that standing upright right out here with the ease of a Nautilus system. So it's really nice. Now you're going to see a gray valve down here, guys. The reason that you have a gray valve right there is because this is washer and dryer prepped. So if you want to put your washer and dryer in your bedroom, this valve is the drain for that washer. So we're still on the off-door side of the camper, and so this is the back bedroom, so the bed slides out. This gives you good storage under the head of the bed. So not only do you have that big pass-through storage up front, and maybe you think, well, that ain't enough storage. Well, they give you extra out here, and this is a big box too. So taking all the things that you want to take with you in your camper, not a problem for the Reflection. On the very tail end of the off-door side, of course, you're going to see your furnace, but you also have a tankless hot water heater. On-demand hot water heaters have been the thing in campers lately. Reflection knows that. They're going to give you the on-demand hot water heater as well. Moving to the back of the camper, you are backup camera prep, so if you do want to add that Furrion backup camera, you can. You do have a hitch that's good for 300 pounds, so whether you want to take bicycles or a little bit more luggage area for you, you can do that back here as well. Let's take a look at the inside, guys. So we're coming into the inside of this 322, and you're going to notice that on the right side coming in is your control panel, whether you're controlling your inside ceiling lights, your LED lights under your awning, or your porch light. So one thing really cool about these new Reflections too is these lights are dimmable. Just by holding down the button, I can bring the lights down. That's the same for the ceiling lights as well as the awning lights outside. How many times have you been outside and your LED lights are just too bright? You're like, yeah, I wish I could lower those down. Well, Reflection gives you that ability with this guy. Not only can we do it from the touchpad here, but you also can do all of this via Bluetooth from your smartphone if you download the app. So that's a really neat feature as well. Sitting outside by the campfire, want to bring those lights down a little bit, we can do that from our phone. I think that's pretty sweet. Reflection also gives you a JBL radio system, Bluetooth your phone to it, AM, FM, stereo, nice speakers with JBL on this guy as well. So really nice setup on this Reflection. Also, take a look at this countertop. You got plenty of countertop space. You come in, you got your dog leashes in your hand and everything else. just set it on top, or you got little storage shelves down here, little pet bowl door. We talk about the dogs. Everybody brings the dogs with us, right? So reflection gives you a place to put that food and that water down here as well. I think that's a really nice deal. A lot of times your pet bowls are in the way. With this one, they really fit really well and kind of are out of the way for you as well. I like that setup. Let's take a look at the kitchen. So we're coming around to the kitchen, and like I said, outside, we have this beautiful window behind me to look out. So one thing that they've really done well is they've given you a spot for your trash can. So you do have a trash can pull out there. I like that. Now look at this top drawer. You're not going to believe this. So you get a slotted divided drawer, but not one, but you get two. So we can take those utensils with us, have them all organized. They're not going to slide around in the drawer for you that way. I really like that drawer. Really nice soft close on that. You get a full-size residential microwave, which is really nice. This is residential size, so we're going to have the same size we have in our houses. You get a 3-burner, larger stovetop area for you there, so your bigger pots and your pans can cook on this with ease. We get a bigger oven down low, so you're not forced to try to put stuff in a little oven in this guy. You get a bigger oven with this, which is really nice. Push button lighting under the front. But look at this window, guys. You're not going to believe the views you're going to be able to get from just inside your kitchen in this reflection. I like the sink being in the middle, all right? Plenty of counter space on both sides. Plenty of outlet plug-ins all the way around as well. And then you get really nice dressed up glass cabinetry and stuff like that. Let's take a look at it. So coming around towards the living room, guys, you've got this nice big overhead storage compartment. The doors hold themselves, so you're not forced to hold a door while you grab something. But really deep storage in here. And I like the glass, and they continue on with the glass in this cabinet here, really dressed up for you. Now, one thing you're going to see is that you have the travel fee with all these new reflections. So you're going to be able to have the internet and that Wi-Fi booster everywhere you go. Well, that's also up here in this cabinet. We'll show you that. So up here in the cabinet, it's your travel fee. I kind of like it there. It's kind of out of your way, you know, out of sight, out of mind type deal. But that's going to be nice when you want to take that internet everywhere you want to go. So in your living room, you're going to see a 3 recliner couch. But one thing to note is that if you're just sitting on the ends watching the game, you need a drink, need your charge your phone, you've got a 2 USB charger with a drink holder. But say you want to sit 3 across and you all want to recline, well, you all can on this one. So reclining, we all can sit out. They all wall away for you, so everybody can watch the game or watch that movie at night and be real comfortable when doing it. So one thing really nice about these reflections is that they give you a side-by-side 12-volt refrigerator. What's nice about the reflection doing the 12-volt refrigerator is that they give you 330 watts of solar on top. So you're going to be able to run this refrigerator going down the road off of truck and off of solar. No propane needed. That's really nice. Also on the wall coming around, you have a max air fan. That's your fan up in the ceiling, so no having to stand on a ladder to open it and do the vents. You can open your vent and turn a 4-speed fan on with your controls. Right here above your thermostat, we're running the heat right now, so your thermostat in here runs your furnace heat. It also runs your front AC. That's another thing nice about this reflection, is it is a dual AC unit. Now, the unit in the bedroom's also got a heat pump in, so for those people that are like, oh, it don't have electric heat. Oh, yes, it does. So it has a heat pump on the unit that's in the bedroom. Runs through the ducts, racetrack system, so we're going to be able to use electric heat and gas heat same time if we need to. Now, before we go into the bedroom, I'll show you this awesome pantry. So really nice pantry, auto LED light strips in the corner, lighting those shelves up for you. Really nice pantry for you. You're going to be able to take everything you want with you. I told you that, guys. Let's take a look at the bedroom. So we're in the bedroom of this reflection, and one thing you're going to notice is that, yes, it has a residential king bed, and that's because it's in this slide, right? We showed you the storage out underneath the bed. It also has storage under the bed. So Not only are you going to have storage in the outside part of the bed, but you have storage in the front part of the bed. And yes, those are your bar stools for your bar area inside. You also can use them here at the desk if you wanted to. So you can move them from the bar or in here. Do a little laptop work while you sit in here in your bedroom. That's one thing I really like about this desk area. We can, put a TV up here on the wall where our backer is, our plugs and our cable hookups are there for that. And then do a laptop. You've got charging and USBs on the side there. Plenty of room to pull a chair up underneath here. And look at all of this storage space, guys. So we're going to have a hanging wardrobe both sides. You got plenty of drawer space. If under the bed wasn't enough for you, you got enough space to do it all in here as well. Really nice big windows in this bedroom as well, both sides of the bed, and a big window here looking out on the camping side of the camper. You're going to have USB and plug-ins on both sides of the bed too. So, charging that phone, running that tablet, it's going to be pretty easy while you're in the bed. So we're in the bathroom of this 322, and one thing you're going to see is you have your hot water heater controls. That's that on-demand hot water heater. You're going to be able to set your temperature 95 to 124 degrees. Really sweet deal. You're going to see a porcelain foot flush toilet down here. I like how that toilet's kind of angled, kind of gives you bigger guys like me a little more leg space right on that toilet. Now, one thing you're going to see is that you're going to see a big cabinet to put your towels in, all your linens, your toiletry items are going to be able to all go in there. Not only that, but you got his and her sinks, and his and her sinks both have your mirrors with your medicine cabinets behind them. Be able to have a lot of space in here. Brush your teeth same time, guys. Everybody's going to be able to do their job in here with ease. With plenty of storage, you get the corner storage in here as well. Look how deep that is, guys. It goes all the way back to that back wall corner. So not going to be able to say that there wasn't enough space in the bathroom, because this bathroom is going to have all the space that you need. Now, over here on this side, of course, you're going to have the shower. The shower's got a trifold glass door on it. Plenty of room to get in there and do what you need to do. Also, we talked about it being washer and dryer prep, guys. That's in here. So you put your washer on top. You can do it all in one unit, or you can remove the bottom if you want to do a stackable washer and dryer combo. Really nice space. If you don't want that washer, just extra closet space for you. All right, guys, so if you're interested in this 322 FKTS Reflection, then give us a call, shoot us a text, visit us online at cookevilleRV.com. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We can't wait to make you part of the Cookeville RV family.